For faster results, manual versus auto polarity switch. The Fischer features both manual and automatic polarity switches. In iontophoresis, polarity refers to the direction of the electric current through the body, from right to left and vice versa. The extremity where the current enters is known to see faster therapeutic results. For ease of use, most patients prefer the automatic mode. This changes the current direction halfway through the session to balance the treatment between extremities. Patients who treat in auto typically see dryness within 2 weeks. In manual mode, however, patients may experience faster results in a single extremity. For example, if you're a palmar hyperhidrosis patient and would like to have a dry right hand as quickly as possible, 1. Set up the water bath trays on a flat surface. 2. Place an electrode in each water bath tray. Although it doesn't matter which electrode is placed in which tray, for ease of use, make sure the electrode to the left is plugged into E1 and the electrode on the right is plugged into E2. 3. Place a foam insert on top of each electrode. 4. Fill the water bath trays with 2 to 5 cups of water, or enough to cover the area you'll be treating. 5. On the control unit, set the polarity switch from E2 to E1. 6. Treat for 15 minutes. 7. Once the treatment timer reaches 0, wait for the beep and remove your hands. 8. Power the Fischer off because you're finished. By treating in manual mode, you could focus the positive polarity on one extremity to see faster results.